Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be demonstrating when values held at variables evaluate to true and when they will evaluate to false using the bool function. So I'm going to start off with objects, built-in objects or variables that have values that evaluate to true. So here we have an example of a list that's got three integers, so 1, 2, 3. We have another example of a tuple, same values 1, 2, 3, and a dictionary with key 1 of value 1, key 2 of value 2, and key 3 of value 3. I've also got an integer 123 and a float 1.1 and a string with hello. So all of these built-in objects or variables that we have here will evaluate or will have a value that evaluate to true because they've actually got some content inside them. So I'm going to show you how we can confirm this using the bool function. So I'm going to use the print, and then from here I'm going to call the bool function, and then I'm just going to put in the reference of my object of the variable, and I'm going to run my program, and you see that this evaluates to true because it's actually got something there. Okay. Now I'm going to be doing the same for the others. So I'm just going to be doing one for the tuple. The tuple is also going to give me true because the tuple is not empty. Okay, and do the same for the dictionary. And because I've actually got content in the dictionary, this is also going to be returning true. In fact, all of these will evaluate to true. So just to confirm what I'm saying, I'm just going to copy this 3 more times, and now putting the integer, putting the float, and putting a string, and run. So all of these now evaluate to true. If any of these have values as such, so if it's an empty list, an empty tuple, or an empty dictionary, any values or numbers such as an integer or a float that is assigned a 0 is going to evaluate to false, in addition to an empty string. So I could copy all of this, or this is basically just reusing the above. I've just emptied the content, so all these variables actually have empty values, like an empty list, an empty tuple, a 0 value, and an empty string, and so on. So if I actually copy all of this back again, this will generate false results. Okay, so this is useful with conditions, or if you want to test an expression for true and false, you can also use the bool function to actually confirm if this value, for example, is evaluates to true or false, that you can then use in your conditions. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.